Symbud Myntri Rangbah ke Jylla ba prestone tynsong laong bagi labor inspector ki badon haman lagi blok gidei ban Leit Khynra khamtam ha gitu ki Jaka badon ki nongbylla bar Jylla ban Peit lagi don neem ki kot kisla ki biang. Haba kren bikila pathai Khubor Symbud Myntri Rangbah laong ru bakani ke jingmaham ke dei ru iki kontraktor ban shimkhia yakani ke kam lada ki kwah ban lait na ke basha blacklist.
So instruction has been given to all the concerned department, be it labor license or be it MRSA, the concerned district administration and the concerned department need to pull up their socks. Because see, as far as labor license is concerned, we have already created a post of inspector in each and every Sinadi block. All inspector was already posted in each and every study block. Number one, for issuing the labor license, and number two, to check those people whom we used to call immigrant laborers from outside the state who does not apply or who does not avail the required documents as per the law within the state of Meghalaya. So now we have instructed, we pull up the socks that they have to go aggressively. Any construction work happen within their jurisdiction, they should go and inspect, and then they should also ask about the papers, whether they have or not. And my only request to all the concerned, especially contractors, private firms, or whoever dealing with bringing in the laborers from outside the state, we are not against it. I'm not against it. Government is not against it. But please make sure that you possess the required documents. If you don't, come back or come unless you get all those required documents. If you don't get that, please better not to come, because as I said to you, your failure, not our failure at all. So I would request all the business houses, private, individual or contractors, they need to take this seriously. And I think it's high time that if detected, any contractors has to be also punished and has to also be blacklisted if they fail to comply to this existing act that we have.